In first attempt, I passed OET. First attempt. I went to the test and I finished my reading in 10 minutes, and I was sitting down, and in my heart I was saying, I've passed reading. I was saying like that to myself because it was so simple. Yes, thank you so much. Father is the best. Don't go to any teaching. Yes, Father is the best. I was so afraid of the reading. I said, OET reading is too difficult. But then Father said, the first thing is to fall in love. Then I said, no, I did not come here to love OET. I'm going back. So I left Edu Skills for some time. I said, let me go back again. I came back. I started studying. Father said, it's 5 months. I said, oh, wow. And I started with Edu Skills. I text him. He sent me some link. And I joined a batch. I continued to study. But one thing I want to say today is, he talked about different style of learning, kinesthetic style of learning, those who learn by seeing, by hearing, or by teaching others. Mine is teaching others. I started teaching others in a WhatsApp group. We had a group. I would teach. And my colleagues were telling me, you need to set up a channel. You teach so very well. I said, I don't know anything. It's Father Joseph that is helping us. So I really made it because I was teaching other people. I was participating and doing all of my assignments. My time do not meet with the Indian time, but I was in the back and I was doing everything that required of us. So I just come here today to say thank you, Father. Thank God for you. We continue to pray for you, and that you will have more strength to teach us. I thank you so much. So yes, thank you so much. Another thing, Father teaching, he talked about all those expression, time expression, topic sentence based, contract based. If you follow that, you will beat the time. You will definitely beat the time, because as you always say, you cannot read 800 words. So you have to follow like that. I passed OET. First attempt. Yeah, learn to teach other people, print your paper, do it every day, 30 minutes. And then, Father, sorry, the last thing is, you don't have to do 1 hour every day. Do 30 minutes every day. Divide your 1 hour into 3. Do reading part A. Go, come back, do B, do C, extra 1 and 2. It's still the same idea. Work smart, not hard. Father is the best. Don't go to any teaching. Yes, Father is the best. I stayed practicing for 7 months because I started last November. I was so scared, and then I was practicing aimlessly in the wrong places. So I meet Father Joseph from April, May, June. So I studied with him for 2 months. 2 months with Father Joseph. Yes. The reading, you need to follow Father Joseph teaching, especially reading part A. Do your best to get 20 by 20. Learn to skim. Learn to understand every question by the text. That's what I was doing. When I go to my question, I know this question is from A, this question is from B, this question is from C. Once you understand all of the question with the text, you can beat the reading in part A. And then in part B and C, you need to follow again what Father tell us: topic sentence, contract based, time expression, negative expression, paraphrasing. You see, I'm just saying it's in my head like that. It's in my head. Yes, it's in my head. He talks about subject complement. He talks about synonymous language. He says synonymous is different from synonym. Much, many, and fact, and opinion, they are all different. We need to follow Father, follow him. Now, what Father was teaching us on different things. First of all, you have to understand the question again. If it's for topic sentence, you know that the answer is in the topic sentence. If it's contract based, you know that you have to go down to the contrast and forget about the other rest you have been reading. If it's time expression, you have to follow and know your skimming very well. The last week of preparation, I used my last week of preparation to teach others. I was just like teaching others because I learn by teaching. As I'm teaching, I'm gaining more. That was how I did my last week of preparation. by teaching others, by transferring the knowledge, by saying it over and over and over. Group to talk it, to say it in your house. Father say, tell your son, tell your daughter, tell the small ones, tell the TV, say, hey TV, how are you today? Is that okay? How are you feeling? Just say it, just say it, just say it. And then listening passive, Father said the introductory part is where your answer lies. So you should listen for the introduction. What they introduce is what they will talk about. So you should follow. Reading part A, I took 10 minutes. Between 10 to 12 minutes, I was finished. And then reading part C, I took 35 minutes, part B and C. Because reason being that I was not reading, I was following the tips. I using a tip for reading part B and C. So I was not reading everything. I practice all modules together, but I do it every day. Every day. From when I met Father Joseph in April, I do it every day. Before I used to be procrastinating, but from meeting of Edu Skills International, I do it every day.
We are proud, Soyi. You have succeeded in the first attempt. That's really great. Really great. Yeah. And really, you got the message what I was trying to convey. Teaching once is equivalent of practicing 25 times. It's the best way to competency. All can think of doing it. Even you can do here. Maybe you can teach every day. I'll give you time. Maybe 2 minutes you can teach one segments. All the aspirants who are studying, right? Whatever you learned from the previous session, you can teach. That will give you real confidence. That's great. Thank you for coming back to acknowledge your success. That's great. God bless you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yes. Bye.
Thank you, Soyi, for coming and giving your experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Soyi.
Bye.
Thank you, Soyi.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best for your success and next step. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Soyi. And also, we really appreciated that your empowering attitude to be here to share your success journey. We are really glad.
Congratulations, Soyi.